Hello friends, I am Ankit and welcome to my channel. I am here with my daily predictions and analysis for US30 and US100. Yesterday was a bullish day for both US30 and US100. US30 crossed the psychological mark of 36,000 and in fact went close to 36,100. At the same time, US100 today did go past 16,000 mark, a very important resistance level for US100, and now trading close to these numbers. US30 at 36k again and US100 at 15,988,990 levels. Now what lies ahead for the day? We are going to have a look at the charts and the indicators. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe and comment, friends. And those who are new to the channel, I provide my daily and weekly analysis for major global markets and commodities including gold, silver, crude oil, natural gas, and markets like UK 100, US 30, US 100, Germany 40, and Nifty, Bank Nifty as well. So let's start the analysis. Let's have a look what lies ahead for the day. And if you look at the charts for US 100 first we are going to look at US 100 and then it will go back again towards US 30 towards the close. So watch till the end, watch the levels. Now look at this. This is a 4-hour chart for US 100 and this was the consolidation level in which it was trading for few candles. Now it has broken out of this zone and now trading in a bullish zone. Also you have to see closely that this candle, it has already seen higher highs, so it implies that there is some bullishness. That is why it was able to go past 16,000 level, and now there is certain uh, resistance available at 16,000. That is why it is trying to reverse back. However, we have to see that the nearest consolidation was available at this level at 15,900, broken out of this level, then consolidated at this level at 15,950 to 15,980, and now this has come out of this zone. Hence it is still bullish and probably it might try to give a greener candle, probably successive greener candle, and take it towards 16,050 plus levels, and in fact it can hit 16,100 too. But let's have a look at different time frames. On the 3-hour charts, you can see that, see, this is trying to give you what it is trying to do. So let me draw it once again for you all. And hence a breakout on either side is going to be very strong. This is a 3-hour candle, and now a breakout out of this zone at 16,010 is a clear indication to remain long, and it is going to give you a strong breakout. On the downside, any breakdown below 15,980 is a clear indication that it will retest 15,940, 950 levels once again. However, it implies the current situation indicates that possibly it is going to give you a bullish breakout which might take it towards 16,050 and 16,100 levels. So this is on the 3-hour charts. Also you have to see if it breaks down below 15,980, it is again going to come back towards 15,950 and 15,900. So you have to see this level. This candle is strong candle. These are the price levels which were there earlier, and after that a bullish candle has appeared. So hence a possibility exists that it might try to retest this level at 15,920, 930 levels. But these are markets. Anytime right now it is bound to give, possibly it might try to give a bullish breakout, and if it till the time it trades above 15,980. Similar formation on 2-hour charts, and right now both trading in a range. And if you look at the range here, again coming back to this level at 15,975 and 16,010, between these 2 points you should not trade and avoid taking any position between these 2 levels. Any breakout beyond or below is a good indication that it is going to take a direction from here. Look at the 1-hour charts. It has got its resistance level here intact, similar formation, and hence we will be looking for a breakout out of this zone between 16,010 to 15,980. Any breakout beyond or above will be a good indication to go short or long. Below we might look at 15,940 and 920 levels. On the daily charts, if you look at, the candle is still green and see it This is the third day for the week. Already tail is formed. It is trying to form a body. We are going to have a look at it and see it has seen a bottom. Also, if you see 5900 is a pivot, it has seen exactly 15800 to 16,000 level. So the equilibrium lies at around 5900 level, and hence a possible retest at 5900 cannot be denied before it tries to go back higher highs, before it tries to achieve higher highs. So what I'm trying to say is, see, this is the high, this is the low. Almost a possible retest at these levels cannot be denied, or at least to these levels, maybe to 5900, and then it try to achieve higher highs. This is another possibility, but yes, it might try to get pulled back towards 5900. That is a probability we cannot deny. So yes, now let's have a look at the indicators. On the indicator side, you can see that the topmost part of the Bollinger Bands, it is trading nearest resistance that's available at a 16010, and then 15950 and 15880 should come into picture. DPO is bullish, and you look at the stochastic, it is overbought, continuously trading in an overbought position. MACD lines are wide apart and are still in a buy zone. And if you look at the RSI is again overbought on the daily charts. Hence indicators are giving a mixed feeling, charts are giving a different feeling. Indicators are saying markets are overbought and they can sustain in this position for quite some time, while the charts are saying that markets are waiting for a breakout, and hence we have to see how far it goes. Now look at this RSI trying to trade in overbought position on a 4-hour chart, probably trying to cool down. It may try to cool down with a little red candle, and you see MACD lines are almost running parallel. Stochastic trading on an overbought side for quite some time. And if you look at the nearest resistance again at 15950, it might and 16010, we might get some resistance. So 4-hour, 3-hour, similarly overbought positions we are getting. And also you have to see the nearest support levels at around 15900, 2950 will come into picture. Considering this, let me give you the levels directly. Now 2 points you have to consider today for trading. Don't trade between 16010 to 15975. Don't take a position between these two levels. So what will happen if it goes past 16010? My nearest support will come into picture at 16050, and then the next resistance is going to be at 16085. These two levels you have to mark. Any rise past 16010 is an indication that you can go long. It has to sustain beyond this level. Whenever I say any rise past this level, it means that it has to sustain at these levels for at least 10-15 minutes. Watch the candle, and if it sustains above this level, go long, and it is going to be, you are going to achieve 16050 and 16085 levels, and beyond that, sky is the limit. Though my weekly target of 16126 will come into picture. In my weekly analysis I had shared, it might hit 16126, and that is what it is trying to do. On the downside, below 15975, we will be looking at 15940 and then 15920, very nearest resistances, and close to that we are going to hit 15900 and 15880 levels will come into picture. So almost at every 20 points below 5975 and 5940, we are getting stronger resistance and support level for any downward move. Hence, looking at these numbers, you can clearly see on the downside there are different resistance available. If it breaks past through these resistances, it indicates that markets are really bearish and it might try to drop further. So you have to take your positions accordingly. Don't trade between these two levels. Any drop beyond and above is a clear indication that you can take your positions accordingly. So this is all for US100, and now let's move towards US30. And yes, if you want to gain the same expertise, if you want to get the same insights on how to trade in the markets, you can join my mentorship course, which is a 15-day session and 1.5 hours each. It's starting on 8th of November. So book your seats, and in next couple of days, by weekend, we are closing the booking. So you can reach out to me on over email or via Telegram and book your seats accordingly. So links are mentioned in the description. please reach out for any of your queries. Now look at US30. US30 now trading at 35,980, and see what it has done is rise, then a drop till 35,800, rise, then a possible drop. Now the nearest support is coming at around 35,900. So possibly 35,920 may try to get achieved, and then a possible higher highs it might try to do, which will take it towards 36 140 150 levels if it sustains above this level at 35,900. So the nearest support coming out at around 35,900. If it sustains this level, possibly it might try to hit 36 140 again, and below this again it is going to look back towards 35,800, which is the nearest resistance available for any downward move, or support available for any downward move. So these are the levels we will be looking for. This is on the 4-hour charts. On the 3-hour charts, if you look at, you have to also see that it has got its double top out here consistently, and this is the little retracement, and now it is the second consecutive red candle, which makes it 36,000 now as a stronger resistance for upward move, and possibly it might try to come back till here, which is at around 35 910 920 levels. It might try to achieve, and then if it is really bullish, it might try to go back again. So but looking at this kind of formation here, possibly it is trying to form. First thing, if it breaks this channel, it is good that yes, any drop below 35,970, definitely will be looking at 35,920 levels. Below that it might try to hit 35,820, else it might, and any breakout above 36,000 is a clear indication that you can remain long for on US30 also. On the 2-hour chart, similar formation, but at the same time we should see the formation which it is trying to make. See, this was the rise, a little drop, further retracement, so lower highs, and now it is trying to form lower lows already formed, and any breakdown below will clearly take it towards 35,900. So a possible target of 35,900 920, which is quite feasible, and below that it might try to hit towards 35,820 also. So on the 1-hour charts also similar formation, we can see that rise, and then third, this is a reversal, and post that it is consecutively given 3 red candles. A possible red candle may form, but yes, it has got its support in place at 35,960, and then below that it is going to hit 35,920 900 levels. Now let's have a look at the indicators. On the indicators front, yes, this level at 35,970 is a pivot number, and in a 4-hour charts, if you look at the 4-hour charts, you can find that this level at 35,970 trying to give it a support. After that 35,920 should come into picture, and below that it will try to drop further. And if you look at the 4-hour charts indicator, DPO is in buy zone, and stochastic is almost dropped to a significant level. And you look at the MACD lines on the 4-hour chart, possible crossover, possible drop and crossover, and it is going to drop further, going to drop sharp. This is what it appears. On the 3-hour charts, stochastic is almost at bottom, and you look at the support levels. Similar support levels are coming into picture on the charts. RSI is comfortable directly jumping into the daily charts. On the daily charts, interestingly, it is overbought, but you have to see the smaller time frames. Here it is making it like it is oversold on smaller time frames. Also look at the daily charts. On the daily charts, see, what it is trying to form, it is trying to trade in this channel, where, let me turn off the indicators here and show you something on the daily charts. On the daily charts, you can see that so possibly this is kind of a bullish formation, higher lows and higher highs, which is trying to get formed on the daily charts. Now the support is available at 35,900, and in fact this is the pivot for now. Any breakdown below 35,900 is an indication that it can go back below 35,800 or so, and any breakdown above 3600,000 is a clear indication that it is going to hit 36,120 levels or so. So now coming back to the indicators here. Coming back to the indicators on the daily charts, it's overbought. On the daily charts, you can see the MACD lines are running almost parallel, and neither movement not bigger nor it is showing a bigger movement, and hence possibly it is heading towards a crossover on the sell side. But how far it can stretch, that we have to see. How far on the buy side it can take it towards, how high it can take, that we have to look forward to. So considering this, let me come back to the levels here. Now today again 36010, any rise past 36010, next target 36060, and then 36120 will come into picture. Beyond that, sky is the limit. On the downside, we have to look forward to the support which is coming into picture at 35967 levels. Any drop below 35966 level, so don't take a position between these two levels, 36010 to 35967. Any drop below 35967 will take it directly towards 35920, then towards 35880, 35840, and then 35820. So yes, today is the day when the Fed is going to give its interest rate decision. Though the interest rate decision, I think they might not gonna change it, but it is going to give a hint that when the tapering can start, and that is what we market will be looking forward to. And hence we have seen today that the markets have given a very little move, and hence take your positions very cautiously. Markets will wait for the news, and then it is going to give you a breakout. A stronger movement may happen after that Fed's decision. So take your positions accordingly, trade cautiously. This is all from my side. Thank you very much. Have a great profitable trading day ahead.